Hi, this is Jim with Colorado Sound Light. I'd like to go over our rack mount lithium power supply that's become very popular for remote applications for weddings and corporate events where perhaps you don't have electricity to power up your wireless microphones or mixer, but you do have powered speakers. Now, this is not an inverter system, so it won't power a active speaker and give it electricity. It's just for those applications where you have a battery powered system as far as your speakers and you need power for your wireless microphones and mixer. Now here's our rack mount unit. In the normal application you'd have AC plugged in and we'd have it in the 0 position on the switch. AC would then provide power to our outlets in the back. We would be plugging in our transformer. Then we would plug in that transformer into our top port. This particular one has 4 ports. Each port is isolated, and then what we would do is we would take a cable, plug into our bottom port. We would let that then feed our wireless microphone or mixer. Of course, we have 4 ports here. You could fire 3 wireless microphones and 1 mixer if you like. Now, in its application, AC would be running the transformer, go through the top port into the bottom, and feed our device. Now, if we want, we can add in our supply inside here, which combines the power of the transformer and our 12 volts battery system inside, so that if we lose power, the battery automatically takes over. Now, to show the switches, the center position is 0. And that's just for AC, running the transformers. Top is for the battery to kick in and combine with the transformer. In the bottom position, it activates our charger, and the charger then would go into the single port in the back and charge the batteries. Now, a lithium battery, just like even lead acid at 10 volts, it's considered technically almost a dead battery, so at that point you need to be charging. And of course you can monitor the voltage of your internal battery through the meter here. So hope this helps explain a little bit about the lithium battery pack. It's designed for wireless microphones and for a mixer and a remote application, or as a power supply backup in case you would lose AC at an event. You can still run those devices on it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.